water refill time. We are at Purple Lake. And this is a little, where it intersects is like a little stream outlet for the lake. You have our friend Barrett that we met at Red's Meadow back 2 days ago. And then Lori's getting our snack on with while we're getting ready to refill. And then our other friend Baxter we met 2 days ago at Red's as well. We all stayed at the backpackers campsite and are kind of a trail family for the last 2 days or so.
We're doing it.
We tried to make it here yesterday, but that was not very successful because it was 11 miles to get to our site. It was still a pretty view, but it wasn't quite this. So this is what we got to see. It's about an hour and a half from where we camped. We just couldn't add that much mileage yesterday. We weren't really supposed to be here until lunchtime tomorrow, I think. So we're a little ahead of schedule. There's some bigger fish in this area here too. Really pretty. This is called Purple Lake. I don't know why it's Purple Lake, but maybe they took a picture of sunset and it was purple skies or something. I don't know. Beautiful. Gotta get it. You gotta get it. You want it again? Huh? You want it again?
They got you walking it?
Tough job there. I wonder if that's the thing. The caboose.
How much gear do you need?
Look at our luxurious accommodations here. Got
We got our own Tim Allen and
got our tent set up.
nice gear here.
A little bit windy. We are at
10,000 something feet.
was it Agnew Lake? What, no, was this?
This is Squaw Lake. No,
We're
we're
at
Squaw
Squaw
Lake.